Welcome to our video on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the new standard for Android flagships. It features a titanium build, the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite, and advanced AI mastery. The refined titanium design includes a durable, premium, and lighter frame. New ergonomics offer a better grip with rounded corners. The Gorilla Glass Armor 2 provides superior scratch resistance and anti-reflective coating. It is featured here in stunning titanium white silver. The S25 Ultra boasts the best display on the market, a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X with QHD+ resolution for razor-sharp visuals. Its 2600 nits peak brightness ensures crystal-clear visibility, even under direct sunlight. Experience unmatched performance powered by the custom Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy. Built on a 3nm process, it features 12 GB of RAM for seamless multitasking and AI processing. Enjoy console-level graphics with ray tracing and zero lag in demanding mobile games. The pro-grade camera system includes a 200 megapixels main sensor with adaptive pixel technology and an upgraded 50 megapixels ultra-wide sensor. It also features dual telephoto lenses, offering 10 megapixels with 3x and 50 megapixels with 5x optical zoom capabilities. In photography results, the S25 Ultra achieves daylight mastery with stunning, color-accurate photos. It remains the zoom king, retaining sharpness at long distances. While generally good, noise handling in extreme low-light conditions is noted as slightly behind some competitors. Enjoy all-day endurance with a 5,000 mAh battery, estimated to provide over 17 hours of screen-on time with heavy usage. It supports 45W wired charging, achieving 0 to 100% in about 55 minutes. The S Pen offers unmatched productivity for sketching and precise photo editing. However, Bluetooth features like Air Actions have been removed, meaning the S Pen no longer functions as a remote camera shutter. The next-gen Galaxy AI introduces generative edit for magical photo manipulation, live translate for real-time calls, and note assist for instant summaries. Plus, you can seamlessly search anything on your screen using Circle to Search. Customer verdict reflects high satisfaction, with an average rating of 4.8 across major platforms. Reviewers consistently call it the absolute pinnacle of Android technology. Should you buy it? The good includes a best-in-class display, flawless performance, excellent battery life, and 7 years of updates. The drawbacks are a very high price, slow 45W charging, a charger not included, and the S Pen losing Bluetooth functionality. The verdict is clear. If you demand the absolute best Android experience without compromising on screen, power, or versatility, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is the phone to beat. The approximate launch price for the 512GB model is ₹1, 41,999. Here are the image sources used in this video, continuing the list of image sources.